Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products you should know about. Today, we're talking about the best Neutrogena Multi Use Stick, the Hydro Boost Hydrating Multi-Use Makeup Stick. If you're someone who loves versatile beauty products that simplify your routine without compromising on quality, this is a game changer. This 3-in-1 makeup stick is a true multitasker, combining the power of skincare with makeup. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Multi-Use Makeup Stick comes in the shade Temptation, which is designed to give your lips, cheeks, and eyes a natural flush of color. The secret behind its hydrating formula is purified hyaluronic acid, a dermatologist-recommended ingredient known for its ability to lock in moisture and keep your skin feeling soft and smooth. Whether you use it as a lip tint, a blush stick, or a creamy eyeshadow, it provides a fresh, dewy look while keeping your skin hydrated. What sets this product apart is not just its multifunctionality but also its gentle, skin-loving ingredients. It's non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores, and it's free of fragrances, parabens, sulfates, and alcohol, which makes it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Plus, it's ophthalmologist tested, so it's safe for those with sensitive eyes or contact lens wearers. Applying the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Stick is a breeze. For lips, just swipe it on for an effortless pop of color. On your cheeks, it blends easily to give you a buildable blush, and for your eyes, you can either use your fingertips or a brush to blend it out for a soft, creamy eyeshadow. It's perfect for anyone who's always on the go or who likes to keep their makeup routine minimal and quick. But let's talk about why this product is so special. Not only does it provide a natural, radiant finish, but the hyaluronic acid helps nourish and hydrate your skin throughout the day. It's essentially skincare and makeup rolled into one, leaving you with a glowing, refreshed look without the need for heavy makeup or extra products. Plus, it's easy to carry around, and the compact design makes it perfect for travel or quick touch-ups. Neutrogena has really hit the mark with this product, making it a must-have for those who want a quick and easy way to add color and hydration to their routine. Whether you're heading to work, going out with friends, or just want a fresh-faced look for the day, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Multi-Use Makeup Stick is your new best friend. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on the best beauty products out there.